hindi ko na binabasa minsan for lack of material time sa ating mga, haka-haka dito doon. So, ganun ang ginawa ko. Sabi ko, free education. Putang ina, ginawa ko, nandyan na, free education. Sabi ko, free hospitalization with malasakit to both. Nandyan na, binigay ko na. Ano pa bang gusto ninyo? Tapos sabi ko, well, I do not know the state of affairs regarding whether there is still money or not. But I am reminded of the EDSA narratives na it was so broken that it would need a lot of money, emergency,